Gravity is affected by distance and mass. So an object can be really close to something and have a strong gravitational attraction, or really far and can be weak. Or the object can have a lot of mass and have a strong attraction, or very low mass and have weak gravitational attraction. The gravitational attraction is really strong because they're close together. Now that the objects are farther apart, the gravitational attraction is very weak.
There are two different kinds of forces that work together to create an orbit.
The rocket has forward motion that keeps it from falling to Earth.
Gravity keeps the rocket from flying out in space and constantly changes the rocket's motion.
These two forces, when combined, produce an orbit.
Go.
When I roll this car, eventually it'll come to a stop because of rolling friction.
Newton's third law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, or forces come in equal and opposite pairs.
The bird is pushing down. The ground is pushing up.
Newton's cradle. It demonstrates Newton's third law. When you pull up one ball, like shown in this picture, when you pull it up and it hits the other balls, the last ball comes up. This shows Newton's third law because when this hits, an equal and opposite reaction causes this ball to come up.
Newton's first law is that an object in motion tends to stay in motion, and objects at rest tend to stay in rest, unless an unbalanced force is active.
Wow! How does Newton's first law work? Like this. Replay.
As Kermit flies through the air, the unbalanced force of the window causes him to stop.
No puppets were harmed in the making of this video.
Mass is the amount of matter within an object.
Weight is the measurement of the force of gravity pulling down on an object. On Earth, this little person weighs 100 pounds, but on Mars, he weighs 37.7 pounds.
Even though his weight changes, his mass remains the same. The only thing that changes is the amount of gravity between the planets.
Go.
grams more. But we're not going to tell them.